Good morning, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this weekend. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's proceed with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Sunday, until tomorrow, Monday, March 13 and 14. We have the prevailing warm easterlies still affecting the Philippine Islands, particularly the eastern sections of Luzon, or extreme northern parts of Luzon, as well as the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, northeastern and eastern Mindanao. So these areas will have breezy conditions from the east and some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening. Overall, in the presence of these easterlies, the weather is still good, but expect some passing showers. And elsewhere across the Philippine Islands, good weather will prevail with afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in areas like Mindanao, the rest of the Visayas, and also some portions of Luzon, including Metro Manila. Since we are still on the decaying La Nina conditions, which is starting to move back to neutral conditions, but the effects will still persist until the month of May or even month of June. So expect during the hot dry season, some showers and thunderstorms will still prevail. Outside of PAR, we don't have any low pressure area in sight or developing tropical cyclones for the next 5 to 10 days. We have here the intensifying intertropical convergence zone over central and eastern Micronesia, as well as a surface trough moving towards the island of Mindanao. So again, in areas affected by severe thunderstorms, watch out for possible flash floods and landslides, and don't forget to bring your umbrellas and rain gear. Now let's move now to the fast animation. So you can clearly see here some cluster of thunderstorm activity across central and southern Philippines, as well over the Philippine Sea and the areas of Palau because of this easterly surface windflow. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, there are some intense thunderstorms brewing across areas of Mindanao over Lanao provinces, as well as over the central portions and western sections of Visayas, but as of this time, it's beginning to weaken. And over to the northeast of the Bicol region, there is a developing convection. These are large thunderstorms embedded within the easterlies, and it is now starting to decay. And we have another one here to the west of Palau within the South Philippine Sea, developing a thunderstorm, but it's now starting to decay as well, and it is embedded within the surface trough. Now let's take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Tuesday. By this afternoon, we still expect the easterly surface wind flow to prevail across the eastern sections of the country. And on Monday afternoon, the easterlies will a little bit weaken, okay? And it will be just light winds from the east-southeast and easterlies over the Batanes, Pabuyan Cubao Islands on Monday. And on Tuesday, light easterlies will still prevail across the Philippine Islands with variable winds within the Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, Palawan, and Mindanao, while we have a light northeasterly surface wind flow over the extreme northern parts of Luzon. No longer a northeast monsoon, but it's still a part of it, or the weaker version of this monsoon system, as we move into the middle of March. Usually the northeast monsoon will start to end, or the end of the northeast monsoon will be sometime the second or fourth week of March. Okay, so that's it. Here's the latest on the rain forecast for the next 3 days. This afternoon, Sunday, we expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across Luzon, particularly over Casiguran area. There's a strong thunderstorm over there. by this afternoon and over the eastern sections of the Visayas, particularly northern Samar, and various sections of Mindanao. There will be some thunderstorms brewing this afternoon, Sunday, and on Monday afternoon, isolated thunderstorms will still prevail across the Luzon, Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and Mindanao. And on Tuesday afternoon, the same situation will be expected, becoming more intense thunderstorms across northern Samar and Davao region, as well as Oxygen, the central and northern portions of Mindanao. And before we leave you, is the rainfall accumulation forecast until Tuesday. So most of the rainfall are forecast across Mindanao because of the easterlies and local convection, and also across eastern Visayas and the eastern sections of northern Luzon, particularly areas like Isabela, eastern Isabela, and Aurora province, as well as eastern Cagayan. So there you go. That's the update on the weather situation for the next 2 to 3 days until Tuesday. And we will return on Monday. Okay, that will be tomorrow, to give you more update on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always and be weather wiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.